Hey everybody, this is Andy, the Bearded Practitioner, coming out again at noon. It is a beautiful day. It is wonderful to be out here, out of the quarantine, out of my little hub of a workspace. And today I just kind of wanted to bring some positivity to you, and I wanted to tell you guys all about the fact that this too will pass, is what I remember talking to my dad about. So many times we get caught up with this moment being so extremely difficult, and we forget that we've been through a lot of extremely difficult times. We have something that's like proximity to the memory that we have right now, so we think at this very moment that it's the toughest situation ever, and it really isn't. We will get through it, we will move on, we will persevere, and life will move on. Um, just remember that at times like this. I think it's really important to keep everything in perspective. Know that this moment is different than the next moment, and we, in this moment, can be positive and not fill our minds with negative emotional feelings that makes us feel depressed, which leads to depression. And so, again, here's what I would focus on: is I would focus on being a positive light to others, being of benefit to others in this time. Reaching out to your friends, to your loved ones, making sure that they're okay, they're safe, and don't worry so much about the future. The future will take care of itself. Let's worry about the present moment, making sure that people are safe in your own environments, and just not worrying. Worry does nothing for the situation, it just makes it worse. I know that you can get caught up in it. It's a way of being able to deal with stress is, we worry about things so that we can make sure that it's not dangerous, but sometimes we can overthink it, and those are moments where we just need to take a deep breath, be calm, and just breathe. This moment will pass, the next moment will pass, and we will be fine. So, have a nice day and take care of each other and yourself.